is a Royal Enfield Bullet 350, the iconic Royal Enfield Bullet 350. You can see it here. Hopefully it will all work out. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. Ram Ram. Pakistan attack. Yes. They cut the power. You've got people living in camp of some sort. That guy was just sleeping on his bed there. It's just the back of this hotel. It's just this rock. I wear this shirt between my jacket and my t-shirt because I wanted to protect the back of my neck while I ride. I've had this jacket for a long time now. This trip is going to pretty much destroy my jacket because of the constant sun exposure. What I mean by that is, you can see here, I'm not sure how well you can see, but here the sun will fade the jacket, and here, because this has been folded, it's still black, dark. So yes, it's very, very nice jacket, but yeah, I think it'll be destroyed pretty soon, unfortunately. Got the helmet, that's my bag. Okay, let's go. Here she is, Lakshmi. So I'm trying something different. I'm going to put this mic now directly inside the helmet, and hopefully this will make the audio better. I don't know. Let's try it. I made a little space for it in here using some little Velcro straps. Okay, let's go. Opa. Let's connect everything. Connect, and connect. Alright, let's hit the road. I've got everything on me, everything plugged in. Alright, we're riding. So, hello world and Namaste Dosto. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new ride through India. This morning is a bit of a late one. I'm not riding very far. Going to Jodhpur. It's only about 2.5 hour ride with one stop on the way. Today's Wednesday, as I said, and I'm working, so that means I have to get to Jodhpur, check in, and start working by 1:30. So it's gonna be a bit of a relaxed one. I haven't had my coffee, so we're gonna stop on the way and have coffee with the locals, as per usual. Yesterday I went to Jawai leopard sanctuary, where I was able to see some leopards. Well, one leopard, a female. The bike is running well. Lakshmi is doing good. I need to put more petrol as well this morning. What else in terms of updates? Yeah, I've got this new mic location here in the helmet. I'm still playing with the gain levels. Right now it's on -5. Yesterday there was no gain adjustment, it was on 0, so hopefully today's a little bit better. If not, I'll have to lower it even further. Let's hit the road. Let's get some miles under our belt, or kilometers, depending where you're from. Alright, so this road, most of it is going to be on a highway. I would say 2/3 is gonna be on one of these highways, and then the last third I'm gonna take the local roads. There's no other way. There's no local roads that I can take between here and Jodhpur. So yeah, I'm not a big fan of the highways. They are incredibly dangerous. Right now it's quiet, but I've been on highways where, yeah, it didn't feel safe at all. Let's keep going. Ram Ram ji. Full please. Full. Petrol, full. My country, Romania. You local, Rajasthani? Thank you very much. Bye bye. I don't like being behind these big trucks, or around them for that matter. Just want to stay as clear as possible from them. Yeah, another hazy morning. Pretty much all mornings are hazy here in India. Some more than others, but yeah, pretty much every day you've got haze. Imagine now, between these two trucks, Jean-Claude Van Damme doing the split. Hiya! Did you see that? The whole contraption, the whole machine is a sugarcane juicer or crusher. So it uses the same engine to ride around, but also to crush the sugarcane. It's really cool little machine. You see them everywhere in India. Look at this guy. He's supposed to be on that side. Alright, we're getting close. I'm gonna get off this highway now, which is great. Yes, here we go. What's this? Food? Food? This? Chana?
Chor.
Huh?
Chana chor.
Chana chok. Acha. Alright. I'm gonna leave my bike with this man here. This chana seller. Leave bike here? Okay. Here we go. This, believe it or not, is a temple. So we have to take our shoes off. But it's not any it's not any temple. It's a motorcycle temple. It's a temple dedicated to Om Banna. Om Banna's motorcycle. So here it is. Royal Enfield Bullet 350, the iconic Royal Enfield Bullet 350. You can see it here. 350, and this is that's what they call him, Om Banna or Bullet Baba. Om Banna.
Om Banna.
RNJ. This is Rajasthan number 7773. We're on the Pali to Jodhpur highway, just on the side of the road. So the story goes like this: 1988, Om Banna tragically died on this highway, Pali to Jodhpur, and the police took the motorcycle And then the next day, the motorcycle reappeared at the crash site, which is here, where we are now. And then the police took the motorcycle again in their police station. And the next day, the motorcycle reappeared on this side here. So this happened multiple times until people actually raised a temple here. So look at some of the offerings. Here it is. Here's the motorcycle. And that's it. You just go around the bike once and Om Banna. Om Banna. This local person, huh?
Local person.
From village? This village?
No, near village.
Next village. This is very cool. Very cool to see a temple dedicated to a motorcycle. I think only in India this can happen. The local guys were saying that this is the tree where the motorcycle accident happened. So basically this guy, Om Banna, was riding, coming from Pali, riding to Jodhpur and hit this tree and died. Yeah. All right, let's hit the road. All right, let's keep going. Come on, Lakshmi. Let's go. Half an hour. I'm so excited to get off this bike now. My ass really hurts. So basically I can only ride comfortably for 3, maximum 4 hours until it starts to be pretty uncomfortable. So oh, I'm just shifting position, sitting on the left side of the saddle of the seat, or the right side of the seat, or what's going on here? It's pretty uncomfortable. Picked a hostel, Mustache Hostel. Looks like it's got like a lounge and a seating area where I could sit and work. But yeah, today we're gonna get there no problem. We're gonna have a couple of hours even to spare in Jodhpur. Today's Wednesday. On Friday evening or maybe Saturday morning, I haven't decided yet, I want to go to Jaisalmer, and I'm not gonna go there by motorcycle, I don't think, because it's like a weird detour going left to Jaisalmer and then back to Jaipur. It will be a huge detour, so I'm gonna take the local train. Yeah, I'll go there, explore Jaisalmer for a bit, maybe even rent a motorcycle or a scooter and come back to Jodhpur, grab Lakshmi and head to Jaipur or towards Amritsar. I haven't decided yet. I don't know how that's gonna pan out. The end of the trip, it's gonna be pretty tricky. In about 2 months' time, I think riding will become very, very difficult. Let's keep going. 20 minutes. Whoa. How do we get through this? Damn. Wow, look at this guy. Oh my god. These bits are stressful. These bits and the highway bits are the most stressful. Yeah. Whoa. But Jodhpur pretty clean so far, and some interesting buildings with a lot of local kind of decoration. Very cool buildings. Yeah. Look at that. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. Let's see if it's this blue building. Yes, Mustache, Mr. Mustache.
You already have a reservation though?
Hello, no reservation, no reservation. Mustache Hostel, Jodhpur. Guys, we made it. That's it for this video. We didn't have coffee with the locals because it was just highway. There was no chance to take a detour and get off the highway, but please help me out. Give it a like if you liked it. Subscribe, help me get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this India trip, Mumbai to Ladakh.